Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Leah Toshie, welcome. And in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing another hair care brand. This video is sponsored by Curlsmith, so shout out to them for sending me some really cool products that we're gonna get into, but all opinions about the products are my own. I'm going to be completely honest. I have tried some of them already because I wanted to make sure that I liked the products before I shared them with you all, but there are gonna be some new products that we try together in this video. And most of you might not know this because I pretty much always heat style my hair in some way, shape, or form, just because over the years I have found that it's just easier to maintain from day to day. But I do have naturally wavy, curly-ish hair. I'll insert some photos of my hair growing up and how it's been over the years. I am mixed, so my hair is slightly curly. I would say if you're familiar with the different curl patterns, I'm somewhere between a 2B, 2C. That has changed over the years just with heat styling and bleaching my hair. If this is your first video of mine, my hair was bleach blonde not even 2 months ago, so my curl pattern has definitely changed. But the great thing about Curlsmith is that it's not just for people with curly hair. Anybody can use it. You can have any type of hair, wavy, curly, straight. Anybody can use these products, and they have a bunch of different lines that you can choose from. So when they reached out to me to try their products, I was really excited. I have been on the hunt for hair care products that really make a difference in my hair. My hair is very coarse, it's very thick, and then it does have that wavy, curly texture, and I just haven't found the right products for my hair. I don't think. Nothing is really working. But I feel like I've made this intro long enough, so before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I want to show you guys everything that they sent me, and they did send me products based on my hair concerns. So the first line of products that they sent me was the scalp recipe line. So the first product in this line is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer, and I did try this one out already, and it makes your hair feel so good. So this is a pre-shampoo product. It's for all hair and scalp types. Some of the main ingredients are balanced prebiotics, fermented rice water, which you know rice water really helps with hair growth. It has ginger root and dragon fruit juice, and all these products are also vegan and cruelty free. Next in this line is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. This is a clarifying scrub shampoo for all hair types. It helps to exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse. And some of the main ingredients in this product are apple cider vinegar, again ginger root and dragon fruit juice, and it also has guarana extract. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And I forgot to mention that all these products are sulfate and silicone free. This next product I did try as well because I really like to use light conditioners on my scalp, and when it's a really light conditioner that's made for the scalp, I feel like it's okay and it's not going to make your scalp or your roots really oily or greasy. So this is the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. It is a cooling conditioner, again for all hair types and scalps. It helps soothe and hydrate, and some of the ingredients in here are hyaluronic acid, peppermint oil, organic lavender, tea tree leaves, and thyme oil. And the last product in this line is the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. I have tried this as well, and I absolutely love it. I love a good hair mask. I use a hair mask every time that I wash my hair because I only wash my hair once a week. But this is a deep conditioner for all hair types, and it helps to balance and restore hydration in your hair. Some of the ingredients in this product are again hyaluronic acid. This one has cedarwood extract, organic lavender, green tea extract, organic thyme, and smashed amla. They did also send me 2 products from the color line because my hair is colored, and I have not tried these yet. So the first one is the Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo. It says that it's delicate shampoo for all hair types, and it helps with color protection and full radiance. Some of the ingredients in this product are lemon peel oil, dandelion petals, goldenrod extract, lemon citrus acid, and squeezed pineapple. And then the conditioner that goes with this shampoo is the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. Again, it's for all hair types. It helps to enhance your color, detangle, smooth, and shine. And some of the ingredients in this one are watermelon seed, wild strawberry, strawberry, beetroot juice, and shea butter mash. And last but not least, the product that we're gonna focus on the most in this video is from their strengthening line, and this is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It is a bonding treatment for weak or damaged hair. It helps with resilience, protection, and bond stability. And then some of the ingredients in this product are pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. And this product of theirs is comparable to the Olaplex number 3. So if you're familiar with the Olaplex line and what Olaplex number 3 is, it is a strengthening treatment. It's not a conditioner or a shampoo, but it's a treatment that you use in your hair when your hair is damaged. This treatment is something that can help rebond your hair. It can prevent it. So if you are going blonde, you can kind of use it along the process to prevent the breakage. But Curlsmith has their version of the Olaplex number 3, and it is the Bond Curl Rehab. And I have not tried this yet. I have tried the Olaplex number 3, so I know all about it and how it makes my hair feel, but I'm excited to try the Curlsmith version because it is more natural. Everything comes from the kitchen. There are so many good benefits in food and in natural ingredients, so I feel like my hair might benefit more from this than the Olaplex one. We'll see. We're definitely going to put it to the test. So first, you do go in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. You're supposed to apply this on damp hair, so let's get started. So I went ahead and rinsed my hair off in the shower first. I was in a wedding, so there was a lot of hairspray and products in my hair that I wouldn't usually have in my hair. If this was a regular week, I would just damp my hair with a spray bottle, but in this event, I did go ahead and try to rinse out as much hairspray as I could before going in with the Salve, just so that it can evenly distribute better and then penetrate my hair a little bit better without all that hairspray. After I rinsed my hair, I just gently detangled it with my wet brush before going in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. So what the Bond Curl is actually doing is repairing, rebuilding, and restoring your hair fibers to help strengthen it and prevent from further damage in the future. As most of you probably know already, our hair is made up of keratin, and there's 3 types of bonds in the hair structure. So we have disulfide bonds, salt bonds, and then hydrogen bonds. And these bonds can be damaged by bleach and chemical treatments, which, girl, my hair is damaged by bleach and chemical treatments. It could be damaged by a sudden pH imbalance, and it can obviously be damaged by heat, which we all know as well. So the Bond Curl Rehab is actually targeting all 3 of these bonds to repair each of them from the inside out and then help protect it again from future damage, because let's be honest, we're probably not going to stop dyeing and bleaching our hair, and we're probably not going to stop applying heat to our hair. So this is really going to help repair the damage that has been done, but also prevent it from what we're going to continue doing to our hair in the future. I did mention this before, but the Bond Curl is made up of so many rare and premium ingredients such as shiitake, kale, prickly pear, chia seeds, and essential amino acids that can help strengthen your hair. And I also just want to reiterate that these products can be used for any hair type. You do not have to have curly or wavy hair to use these products. Okay, my hair is fully saturated, and as far as first impressions go, this smells so good. I think what I'm smelling the most is the prickly pear pulp. It smells like a tropical island, like I'm on vacation. It smells divine. This feels so silky and smooth in my hands and on my hair, which I really like because I like that hydrating, conditioning feeling. These are not conditioners, but I do like that feeling, and this does feel like a conditioner. So we'll see how it feels when I wash it out and after and everything like that. But so far I really like this, and a little bit does go a very long way. So now that my hair is fully saturated in this, it does say that you need to leave it on for a minimum of 15 minutes. But if you do feel like your hair needs a little bit more TLC, which mine does because she was previously bleached, it says you can leave it on up to an hour. So I'm definitely gonna leave it on for an hour. So it's about 1:45 now, so I'm gonna rinse it out around 2:45, and then I will go ahead and use the shampoo and conditioner as well. So I will see you guys in about an hour and a half. Okay, I just finished showering and washing my hair. I did go in with the Color Recipe Vibrancy shampoo. I used the calming conditioner more towards my roots, and I did use the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask on my ends. But now I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I wanna wear my hair wavy or curly. It's very quick and easy and simple, but usually I would first go in with my Unite 7 Seconds Detangler, except I'm pretty much out right now, so I can't really use that. I need to buy some more. more. And then I just detangle my hair with my wet brush. So the only two styling products I'm gonna use today is the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner and the Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's. Let me just comb through my hair really quick, and then we're gonna talk about the products while I style my hair. Okay, so first going in with the leave-in conditioner. So first, I just wanna say that my hair smells so good right now from the Curlsmith products. I hadn't used the Vibrancy shampoo just yet, but it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. And then I had used this before, which is the calming conditioner, and that smells like kind of minty, and I can still smell it in my hair, but it smells so good. After I apply the leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna brush it through so that it is evenly distributed. And then I'm just going in with the Pillow Soft Curls product. I just kind of scrunch the product into my hair. And then once I feel like I have all the product distributed through my hair, I just use my same twisty turby and I just use this to scrunch it a little bit more. And I feel like this not only helps my waves and curls, give them a little bit of oomph, since a lot of times now, because my hair is bleached underneath this, it doesn't want to curl too much on its own, but then also it helps get some excess water out. And then that's pretty much it for now. What I'll do is while my hair is drying over the next few hours, I will just continue to scrunch it with my towel while my hair is in its different stages of drying. So right now I'm just gonna go downstairs and eat some lunch with my husband. We're just gonna hang out for a few hours while my hair dries. When it's all dry, I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts on all of the Curlsmith products, and you guys will see the results of my wavy / curly hair. So I will see you guys in a few hours. This is my hair before, and this is the after. Okay, so it's been a few hours and I would say my hair is probably almost 90% dry. It's definitely still damp underneath and kind of at the root, but for the most part it's dry, and this is the final result of my hair. You can probably tell that some parts are more curly and some parts are more wavy. That's just how my hair is. But if I'm being honest with you guys, I have not seen my hair this curly in a very long time. So that says a lot about these products. Just a recap of the products that I used particularly today: the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, that I freaking love. It smells so good, you guys. Again, just comparing it to the Olaplex 3 because they are similar products, or they're the same product in a sense. I like this one a lot better. I can already feel a difference in my hair, and I'm not just saying that. My hair right now, because of all the bleach, is very dry. I can feel it. I can feel the difference in how my hair used to feel before I bleached it and now, and I can feel the difference after using this product just the one time. So I'm definitely going to continue to use this, and I will keep you guys posted on the progress of my hair using this product on my Instagram. So if you're curious about that, just follow me on Instagram. I will keep you posted on this because this right here is a game changer. And then today in the shower, I did use the Color Recipe shampoo, the Scalp Recipe calming conditioner, and the Scalp Recipe mask. And I honestly loved all of these products as well. And this shampoo I really like. I've been on such a hunt for a good shampoo. I'm telling you, I have tried so many shampoos and they just never feel good in my hair. And I just kind of chalked it up to shampoos just aren't supposed to make your hair feel good. That's what the conditioner is for. But this shampoo makes your hair feel so nice before even going in with a conditioner or mask, and it smells so good. Not to mention it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's natural, so you really can't go wrong. I finally found a shampoo that makes my hair feel nice, so I'm so happy about that. Honestly, the products speak for themselves. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my curly wavy hair below. Thank you again to Curlsmith for sponsoring today's video. I am truly such a fan of these products now because my hair looks and feels amazing. I'm gonna get my husband to use them because his hair needs a little TLC too. But that's pretty much it for this video. I will have all of the products I mentioned and used in the description box, so definitely check those out. I hope you guys found today's video helpful in some way. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!